In this quick video, you'll learn how to change the battery in your Nissan NV200 key fob. This whole process will take you under 5 minutes from start to finish. It's very easy to do. The only things you will need are a flathead screwdriver, a small Phillips head screwdriver, and one CR1620 battery. If you don't have one of these batteries lying around or you're not sure where to find one, go check out the first link in the description. That link will take you over to Amazon where you can get these particular batteries for a great price, just a few dollars. Now, the first step here is just to pull out this screw on the back. This is the size that you will need. I'm using this small precision screwdriver. If you don't have something small enough to remove this screw, I will recommend this product that I'm using here. It comes from this little set. Get 6 precision screwdrivers. I've been using these for years. They're great, and they are just a few dollars on Amazon as well. So those will be down in the description. Just if you need it, it's there for you. So go ahead and pull out this screw. Set it to the side. Careful not to lose it. And now we can come over to this slot on the side of the device. This is where we're going to put our flathead in and twist. And the device will open up, giving us access to the battery. Now I'm just going to switch back to this precision screwdriver just to pry the battery out. And if you don't have something, if maybe you used a larger screwdriver to remove this, you just want to look for something, maybe a pin or a needle or even a toothpick, something small enough to come into this little corner here. And what we will do is just gently lift the battery up. You can now grab your new 1620 battery, and when you're ready to put it in, make sure that the positive side that has the plus sign on it and this text is facing down. And you just simply put it in place and push it down. Positive side facing down. And now you can put it all back together, which is very easy. We're just going to snap these two pieces back together and then put the screw back in there. And with that, you will be finished and good to go. So you can see how easy this process is. If you were to bring it to the dealership, they charge you a ton of money to do the same thing. And really, you only need a couple of minutes, and it just costs you the price of one of these batteries. So I hope this video helped you out. I hope it saved you some money. And if you liked it, go ahead and give it a like or let me know down in the comment section. And remember, if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can always come back here to this channel. We have you covered with tutorials like this one for the key fobs for almost every make and model out there. You can also get all of this information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.